Good morning, I'm Bastien from BVN Real Estate here in San Juan del Sur. We are 3 kilometers east town looking at an apartment for sale and for rent of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So it's in a community called Las Escadas. Community count with a pool, a security on site 24/7, a social area with barbecue, tables, chairs and garden. So the apartment comes fully equipped. He has this large fridge of 2 doors, the blenders, coffee machine, microwave, all the kitchen furniture. You see the toasters, a stove with 4 fires. It works with propane. A dining table will sit 4 people easily. The water dispenser, of course. Kind of sofa, TVs area. And 2 bedrooms, sharing 1 bathroom. So first bedrooms has a queen bed, equipped with fan, also with AC. Apartment is new, has been finished less than 2 years ago. So it's a very convenient area for families new arriving in town. It's a safe, you have like parking lots for cars, also your motorbikes. In between the 2 rooms we have the bathroom, no stairs, you see, just 30% of the stairs to go in the shower. And the second bedroom here will be like a kid bedroom with 2 single beds. So both of the rooms have like space for laundry type of closet here in wood. Price will be shown on the comment. So it's a turnkey apartment. We'll do 2 videos because it's 1 for rent and 1 for sale. We have outside a balcony to enjoy with 2 chairs, and we see here the garden and the pool. So you have here the social area and the new type of garden that has been made recently. So it's not covered yet, but soon it will be covered with vegetation, so it will be very good to go there during the day to have shade. So for now it's about 12 apartments.